look at the sky so blue, the birds and clouds, the flowers too. I say a phrase that's strong and true. Allahu Akbar, Allah loves you. Allahu Akbar, Allah is great. Allahu Akbar, no one can hate. Allahu Akbar, sing it loud. With joy and love we feel so proud. When I see the stars at night, twinkling softly, full of light, I remember Allah's power and might. Allahu Akbar, Allah in light. From the mountain tall to the buzzing bee, from the oceans deep to every tree, everything shouts in harmony. Allahu Akbar, He made me. Say it loud. Allahu Akbar, we're so proud. Allahu Akbar, every day, in every smile and every play. From ILM-O-MAJLIS Kids, keep saying Allahu Akbar too. Peace and joy from us to you. Assalamu alaikum, and see you soon.